This is going to be a video product review of the AF brand refrigerator air filter replacement. It's compatible with the Frigidaire Pure Air Ultra. It also fits the Electrolux. Compare the part number EAFCBF PAULTRA 242061001 2417-54001 or S as in Sam P-FRAIR. Now, they sell this on Amazon. I will be leaving a link in the description of the video so that you can pick it up. My mistake, when I bought it, I bought the 2-pack over here for $7.65. For another $3, I could have bought a 4-pack. So check when you buy it online at that link. Now, what is this thing? It is used in the Frigidaire and other refrigerators. This is the original that came with the fridge that I bought, I don't know how many years ago. And I thought that they had one in there when I bought it, but I looked in the drawer and I went, oh, maybe I should replace this. And then I looked over here in the little holder. This is the holder that slides into the fridge. And I said to myself, oopsie-doo. I forgot to put this in the holder. So for years, my refrigerator ran fine. You probably don't need these. You're not going to have, if you have a stinky problem in the house, in your fridge, then you've got more of a problem than this filter is going to take care of. What else is there? Okay, so we have a filter. Let's read what this filter is all about. Replace every 6 months for a fresh, clean refrigerator. Superior replacement contains more activated carbon and zeolite than the OEM. Made in the USA by All Filters Incorporated. And is there any other info that it says besides what I just read? It says this is compatible with the numbers that I just read to you. Freshen the air efficiency. Use advanced technology. You know, all the stuff that we don't really care about. So let's get on to the business at hand. Someone in the messages is asking, will this replace the 242047801? And they say, yes, that's the model it replaces. This is made for the Frigidaire PAULTRA, P-A-ULTRA, P-A-U-L-T-R-A filter. Other people, they're all throwing out numbers. The FGHS2631PF4A, yes. Does it fit the FG? The same thing with the F4 at the end. So what can you say? I think this one over here, these are made in the USA. I think they have strips on them. What does it say? Made in the USA, activated charcoal and xenolite thing I just read. 6 months compared to the numbers over there. Remove plastic tray, pull tab to tear away, and remove perforated panel, which you see over here on the original. Circle installation month. You can do that on the end of it. I didn't do that. I'm just going to do it. Keep these in until I want to take them out. Insert filter into holder, aligning the exposed filter with the holder vents. You want this against the vents, which are going to be facing outward into the refrigerator, and keeping the calendar visible. So you want to keep this thing visible. So this comes out of my fridge. Now you see over here it says insert this end first. But if I insert this end first, am I going to be able to see the date? I don't know, but if I insert this end first, then, you know, does it really matter? It doesn't really matter at all. I mean, come on. Insert it whichever way you want as long as you're going to have access to the filter. So with this thing, I've got my little knobbies over here, my 4 knob-robbers, and I'm going to take this thing and slide it in here. I'm going to pop it in. I'm going to make sure this tab's out of the way. Remove the tang. Get the tang out of the way. Slide it all the way in. It fits nice and perfect. That's why I'm going to be leaving the video description filled with the link, the Amazon link to buy this. It helps you out. It helps me out. Let's go check this out in the fridge now and see how we install this. You already know how you install it. You insert this back in the fridge opposite of how you took it out. There it is, everybody. Not a good thing that I just put the tripod in the dog's water bowl. Oops, oops. We see the slots facing there? So you're going to want the filter facing the slots. Very simple. Make sure you do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the routine. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So even though it said leave the date pointing outward, which I didn't, I can't see the date anywhere. It just depends on what your refrigerator holder, filter holder looks like. Take this, slide it in, and so the filter is going to be able to absorb the smells. If you put the cardboard end in here, it's not going to be able to work properly. Take this, insert it, penetrate the holder. It's a little tight. It's a tight fit. It's a tight fit, but you're going to get it if you slowly push it in. Come on, insert it, push it in. It's caught a little bit. What's caught? Is the filter caught? I don't know. Something's caught. Make sure this is sitting all the way. It's got to be seated. Yeah, we're good. We're totally good. Just a tight fit. Get it in there. Push it in, slide it in, level it out. It's going to filter all that stinky, smelly stuff in your fridge, and you're going to be happy as can be. Make sure you buy one, and don't make the mistake that I told you I made. Look at the price on the thing. Order for... You might never use this. Your fridge might break down before that. As I said, I haven't used this thing in 3 years. I've got it. I'll use it now. Maybe I'll change it every 6 months, every year. I don't know. Maybe I'll never change it at all. But I've got 2 brand new filters from AF.